Hi, I'm Sandra. In this video I'm going to show you a very simple recipe for baking gingerbread biscuits at home with your children. My daughter Sophia, who is 2.5 years old, is here with me to help and learn through this fun family activity. This is the recipe we followed from the Hummingbird Bakery cookbook. We adjusted sugar and salt to make it a little bit healthier. We swapped black treacle for only 50 grams of golden syrup, and we added just a tiny bit of pink salt. To help Sophia to be able to fully participate, she's using her kitchen tower that we built, but you can also buy them ready-made. Sophia, what are we going to make today?
Biscuits.
Gingerbread?
Gingerbread.
Ma'am, what are we going to make today?
Double picket.
Gingerbread man.
Gingerbread man.
Yeah! Shall we start?
Yeah.
What do we need to do first?
Just a hand.
Well done! Wash our hands. We're going to wash our hands.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Cheese. Sophia can put the butter. Well done. No worries. Right, we need to add all of the sugar.
Nice.
Use the mixer. Mommy's going to help with this one, okay? Oi! That goes very fast. Let's slow this down. Don't put your finger there. We need to be safe, okay? So we don't put our fingers in there. Very good. That's okay.
More.
We don't really like very sweet, do we?
One more.
Okay? Shall we put this here now?
Yeah.
We add all of the flour. What is this, Sophia?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. We're going to add some cinnamon. Can you add this one here? 1.
2.
We need 2, yes. 2. What is this, Sophia? Ginger. Spoon here. 1.
2.
2. We're going to add some mixed spice.
6 fries.
Okay.
Mom, look.
Okay? Okay, that's going to be enough. Okay? We stopped using the mixer and I started using my hands to make a dough, which we divided into 3 dough balls.
No, Mommy.
Are we going to make a dough, Sophia?
No, sir.
As you can see, Sophia wanted a bit of independence. This is adult-led, but please don't expect this experience to be perfect. Let your child to have the ideas and to lead the preparation process. Once you have made the 3 dough balls, the recipe says to leave them wrapped in cling film in the fridge overnight, but we just left it for 20 minutes. While Sophia helped to tidy up, I prepared the oven trays with baking paper. The dough was quite hard, so I helped Sophia to roll it. Encourage your child to choose the shapes and to cut them out. Press. Sophia, press. Yay! Shall we pick it? Shall we put it here to bake?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Baby, pick us that.
Leave the biscuits to cool completely and then enjoy! Let us know how your biscuits turn out. We really loved ours. I hope you had fun. Please subscribe for more early learning experiences.